Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you could be notified every time I'm on YouTube. Hello everyone, so I'm back from Thailand and it was an amazing trip. So I stayed there for 6 days. For the most of the part I was in Phuket and in Krabi, and I also stayed in Bangkok for a day where I shopped a lot. I know Thailand is famous for all the wrong reasons, but trust me guys, Thailand has much more else to offer. There are so many beautiful beaches, बहुत सारे historical places हैं, and food के तो there are endless options. And if you are a shopping freak like me, you cannot miss that place. You should visit there once. So I shopped a lot of things from there. And today's video is a Thailand shopping haul where I would be sharing all the stuff I bought from there. So let's get started. I'll first start with all the tops. So the first top I have this blush pink top. I really like its stuff. It is super stretchy, and the best part about this top is this sleeve pattern. It's a ruffle sleeve pattern which I've never seen before in a stuff like this, which is quite unique. I've also uploaded a picture of me wearing this top on my Instagram account. If you're already following me there, you must have seen it by now. मैं सारे details like rates और मैंने कहाँ से ये सारी चीज़ें ली है, I'll display it somewhere here on the screen. Next are these two crop tops. इनका pattern same है but the color is different. This one is in the bluish grey color and the other one is in the coffee brown color. If I talk about its neck, तो ये जो neck pattern है, it's not a crew neck और ना ही ये full grown turtle neck है जो यहाँ तक होती है. Crew neck यहाँ पर होती है. So it is a perfect ट्रांजिशनल पीस जो कि यहाँ कहीं रेस्ट करता है. सो इट इज़ सो कंफर्टेबल एंड सोफिस्टिकेटेड. मैं इसे स्टाइल करने वाली हूँ विथ जैकेट्स या फिर आई कैन ऑल्सो स्टाइल इट विथ स्लीवलेस जम्पर ड्रेसेस और ये बटन डाउन स्कर्ट्स के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. नेक्स्ट आर दीज टू टॉप्स. दिस वन इज द प्रिंटेड पाउडर्ड पिंक cold shoulder top and the other one is this brown and white vertical stripe top. I've just realized मैंने इन्हें क्यों खरीदा, क्योंकि ऐसे टॉप बहुत ही लिमिटेड ऑप्शंस के साथ स्टाइल कर सकते हो एंड सेकेंडली आई फील मुझे ये दिल्ली मार्केट्स में इजीली मिल सकते हैं. सो आई एम रिग्रेटिंग अ लिटिल बिट. एनीवेज मैंने इन्हें ऑलरेडी थाईलैंड में स्टाइल करा हुआ है तो आई विल पोस्ट और आई विल डिस्प्ले इट समवेयर हियर और हियर from there. So I bought myself two pair of trousers from there. One is this camel color front button up trouser. I am absolutely in love with it. It has become one of my favorites because of its color, pattern, fitting, design, literally everything. और मैंने बहुत सारे celebrities को ये trousers style करते हुए देखा है. They just casually snuck up their sweaters or jackets and this style looks so fabulous. मैंने इसके साथ ये टॉप थाईलैंड में स्टाइल करा था which was looking good. I mean fortunately it was looking a put together outfit. So the second pair of trousers are these white textured pants. I was pretty sure when I was putting my money into it because white color is something you can wear any time of the year. But I also think twice before investing my money on white color clothes क्योंकि white color बहुत जल्दी गंदा हो जाता है. But since this one is made up of synthetic material, it's gonna stay for long. Also it is super comfortable और बहुत ही light है तो मैं इसे summers में बहुत पहनने वाली हूँ. Okay, now this one is a mini navy blue skirt. So if you don't know what skirt means, then it is a pair of shorts with a flap across the front to give an illusion or appearance of skirt. So if you have heavy upper legs and if you like the idea of divider skirt, then you should definitely consider this option. It is not going to look clumsy at all. And oh my god, I have so many styles in my mind. I'm going to style it with pullovers, formal casual shirts, t-shirts. ये बहुत ही smart लगने वाली है and I never had a skirt like this before in my wardrobe, so I'm really looking forward to style it. Now let's jump to the bag and shoes. So this one is the neutral shade round shaped bag. It is so sturdy and I really wanted a circle bag in my wardrobe. ये इसके कलर की वजह से बहुत ही सोफिस्टिकेटेड लगता है एंड ये जो स्नेक स्किन का पैटर्न है इट इज मेकिंग एन उबर कूल स्टेटमेंट. आई हैव सीन सो मैनी यूट्यूबर्स एंड ब्लॉगर्स हैविंग दिस पैटर्न. मैंने इसे ज़ारा में भी देखा था विच वॉज प्रिटी एक्सपेंसिव. तो जब मैंने इसे प्लैटिनम मॉल में देखा आई जस्ट वेंट अहेड एंड ग्रैब्ड इट. The next item is in the neutral shade. These are nude top knot flats. You know, nude color is so versatile that you can style them up with any color of outfit. So I've picked these flats from Chiliva Market in Phuket. Chiliva Market is a small bohemian themed night market. So if you are a food lover, you should visit that market क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत सारी variety of food है. Secondly, if you don't want to waste much of your time in shopping, तो वहाँ बहुत ही selective and limited shopping options है, तो आपको बहुत easily थोड़ा बहुत सामान अगर खरीदना है, you can get it from there. So now I want to show you all the cosmetics I bought for myself. So the first one is this Bobbi Brown foundation. It's Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15. Though it shouldn't be included in this haul because I bought it from Delhi airport from duty free. मुझे बहुत अच्छे डिस्काउंट में मिला which is quite impossible when it comes to the brand like this. Bobbi Brown में कभी भी इतने अच्छे डिस्काउंट नहीं मिल सकते. I've read a lot of good reviews about this foundation, so I really wanted to try my hands on this foundation. इसका जो look and feel है, it's so good on my skin. It is flashing, non-obvious and matte. Now the last few products are these lip shades and this Sentio Milk Plus Bright and White Mineral Spray. So this brand is quite popular in Thailand. I can use it as a face primer or fixer before or after my makeup. और ये मैं use कर सकती हूँ to refresh my dull skin. So this is that, and then I have these 3 lip shades. This one is from Baby Bride in the shade 01 Second Skin. The other one is from LA Girl and it is in the shade Sweet Coral. And the last one is this Perfect Lip Color from Miss Tyne Queen of Lipstick in the shade Deep Pink. ये dual shade में, I mean it has 2 lipstick in one case. So this is all about today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know in the comment section below which product you like the most. या कौन सा clothing item आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. I would love to know. Now see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.